Part number IS415UCVHH1A, single slot controller board. GE Marquis 6-speed Tronic control system. Functional description: the UCVHH1A is a single slot board using an Intel ultra-low voltage Celeron TM 1067 MHz 1.06 GHz processor with 128 MB of flash memory and 1 GB of SDRAM, 210 base T/100 base TX, RJ45 connector. Ethernet ports provide connectivity. The first Ethernet port allows connectivity to the UDH for configuration and peer-to-peer communication. The second Ethernet port is for use on a separate IP logical subnet and can be used for Modbus or Private Ethernet Global Data (EGD) network. This Ethernet port is configured through the toolbox. The controller validates its toolbox configuration against the existing hardware each time the rack is powered up. Specifications: microprocessor, Intel ultra-low voltage Celeron 1067 MHz, 1.06 GHz. Memory, 1 GB SDRAM, 128 MB. Compact flash module. Operating system, QNX. Programming, control block language with analog and discrete blocks. Boolean logic represented in relay ladder diagram format. Supported data types include Boolean, 16-bit signed integer, 32-bit signed integer, 32-bit floating point, 64-bit long floating point. Power requirements: UCVHH1 plus 5 volts. DC 4 amperes typical, 4.6 amperes maximum, plus 12 volts DC less than 1 milliampere typical, minus 12 volts DC less than 1 milliampere typical. Primary Ethernet interface, Ethernet 1. Twisted pair 10 base T/100 base TX RJ45 connector. TCP/IP protocol used for communication between controller and toolbox. EGD protocol for communication with Simplicity HMI and Series 90-70 programmable logic controllers, PLCs. Ethernet Modbus protocol supported for communication between controller and third-party DCS COM ports. 2 micro-miniature 9-pin D connectors. COM1 reserved for diagnostics. 9600 baud, 8 data bits, no parity, 1 stop bit. COM2 used for serial Modbus communication. 9600 or 19200 baud. Secondary Ethernet interface, Ethernet 2. Twisted pair 10 base T/100 base TX RJ45 connector. EGD protocol. Ethernet Modbus protocol supported for communication between controller and third-party DCS. Expansion site, PMC expansion site available IEEE E1386.1-2001 3.3 volts PCI. Environment, operating temperature 0 to 70 degrees Celsius, 32 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Storage temperature minus 40 to 80 degrees Celsius, minus 40 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Contact WOC